Today I'm going to put ballpark jumbo beef franks in the Hot Logic Mini with sauerkraut. And then eat them at the end on a hot dog roll. We use this Hot Logic 3-4 times a week. You probably know it. It's real convenient when you work different hours or you're not home when you want to cook. And let me show you how easy this is. You know the Hot Logic Mini. If not, I'm going to show you about it right now. Inside I have a 6-cup Pyrex that came with this one. They don't all come with Pyrexes, but you can put any kind of container in here you like. This is just so easy. They changed the label of the Silver Floss sauerkraut, which we can't find in the store very easily now. There's somebody else complained about that. We couldn't even find it in the cabinet. We were looking for the old label. So first I'm just going to open this up. You want to come closer? Open this up, pour half of this down, put the hot dogs in there, pour the rest of the sauerkraut, plug it in, and it's done. Well, you got to wait a few hours, you know, if you're going to work. You could get this ready in the morning and be done at lunchtime, but I'm going to run a few errands. When I come back, I'm going to have a nice lunch. Come on over here, let me show you this. You like sauerkraut? You know the story about me. I didn't like it when I was young. I like it when I'm old. Or when I get old, I'll let you know. Keep the juice in there. You like it already, don't you? Put that down there like a nice bed of sauerkraut. I have a pack of 5 of these jumbo beef franks. Sometimes they come in 8 packs and we put all 8 hot dogs.
Are you trying to shop for jumbo franks?
Oh, these easy opening.
Are you trying to shop for jumbo franks?
No, but I have them already, thank you. Okay?
Sorry, I can't tell what you want to order. Please try again.
Nothing.
Cancel. Do you have a helpful assistant like that? Very helpful. Anyway, I was saying an 8-pack will fit in here nicely. This is a 5-pack of jumbos. We can go this way. Wait. Ballpark franks. You could slit them if you like. Sometimes I put slits in them. Should I do that today?
If you'd like to.
Sometimes I like that. I don't know why. Let me do it. Just a couple slits. See, you don't have to do that. Put the rest of the sauerkraut on top. Oh boy. I think somebody wants some of this for a snack anyway. Do you want some?
Yeah,
You like nice. This, don't you?
I like it raw.
Well, this is the rolls you'll get here. Mama. There's your meal, see? See how easy that was? Put your lid on. I can't believe it. I want to eat it now. I'm so hungry for it. Zip this up, the Hot Logic Mini. Pull your power cord out. Plug it in the wall. Or plug it in your car. They have a 12-volt version that's made for cars and boats and trucks and RVs. Well, you could plug this in your RV. That's it. See? It's done. I'm going to leave this stay here for at least 2 hours. But it can go up to 4, 6, 8 hours. It's going to stay the perfect temperature once it comes up to temperature. And now I'm going to go run a few errands. What time is it now? 9 a.m. Alright, I should be back by, I don't know, 11, 12, 1, whenever. But it's going to be perfect. And I just can't wait. Can't wait to put them on some buns. Okay, you going to make that? While you're waiting, check the link down there and use the discount code this time when you buy this. Okay? In the video description. Because I know you bought it last week and you forgot the code. Alright. Can't wait. Time to eat. See ya. Voila. It's done. Wasn't that quick? It's warm. It's been about 3.5 hours. See? This could have been in your car or in your desk drawer at work. Or in your locker room. Or on your kitchen counter. Hot Logic Mini personal portable oven. Oh, now I started to smell it. I didn't smell it yet. I smell it now. We have, how many of these do we have? 4, 5, 6 of these, all different colors?
Yeah, probably.
We have a big family size one.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lunch bag version that I didn't get yet that I should get. It's like this with the heating element on the bottom, and the top has extra area for something. I'm gonna get one. Anyway, ready? Oh, smell it. Come here. Where am I? Hot dog rolls. Buns. 100% beef. Ballpark Franks. Look, that's why I like to put a slit in them. They puff up. They plump when you cook them. Okay. Now, you take your hot dog bun if you want. Well, you ain't gotta use one. Want one?
Okay.
Anybody else? I'll have one. Oh, sorry about last week. Bunsy. You can take your hot dog like this if you like. You could put sauerkraut down first. This was made with no effort, remember. Put your hot dog on top. A little bit of sauerkraut, however you like it. Could put some nice horseradish mustard on there, which I might do.
Oh.
Keep it warm for the next guy that comes home, needs something to eat. Hot Logic Mini Personal Portable Oven. Hot dogs and sauerkraut. Perfection. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's really good. It's like almost gives you the idea of the street hot dogs. You know how they steam them like that? We make so many things in here. This is so convenient. 3, 4 times a week we use that. Or 2 to 3 times a week. Get yourself one. Remember, check the link and the discount code in the description. I'm gonna have more of this. How many's in there? 5? You want 1, maybe 2? You want 2?
Just one.
I'll probably have 2. How many does that leave left?
It's enough for leftovers.
Math class. All right, thanks for watching. Wait to see what I have for tomorrow. Something good. Tonight we might watch that Adam Sandler movie. What is it called? Hubie Halloween? Hubie?
Mhm.
Oh, yeah. On Netflix. Did you watch that yet? Or are you gonna watch it when we watch it? We're gonna watch it by 8:30 maybe. Pepsi goes good with it. Or water. Or a big weird gourd. Are you out of your gourd? What? All right, I wanted to remind you about the Hot Logics, how easy they are to cook with and enjoy something really delicious. Have a nice night. Talk to you soon. See ya. Bye. So good.